Hey YouTube, Kimberzelik here. Welcome to my channel. I'm going to do a quick video on organizing your tools. I like to use magnetic strips, so let's just get right into it. Here we have the mini lathe, and I try to keep all associated tools right here in front of the lathe. I have these metal boxes. They're just screwed to the wall, and my tool holders simply hang on that very easily. We've all have one or two of these, which prove to be quite handy, though some are better than others. Some of these barely stick. There's some scales handy. Some attachments. Files, Allen wrenches. So, mostly anything you need to grab while operating the lathe is going to be close by. I have this frame up here also, and some people are utilizing something like that. I used to use that to slide my camera across this surface. And then some tools that, not used so often, but handy right here at the bench. And these drilled indexes are certainly a good investment. This wire gauge one I got on Amazon used for about half price, though it was a brand new and did not seem to have any defects. And then, a lot of the tools that used to be in my toolbox before I took up machining were scratching metal. I have to be careful not to call myself a machinist, because people spend their entire life practicing that trade, perfecting it. Although this is quite a mess, this is an 8-foot banquet table, and I added these PVC pipes to the feet, which elevated it up to workbench level. And of course, toolboxes are going to play a large part of organizing your tools. And we'll cover toolboxes in part 2. So that's going to be it for part 1. Organizing the machine tools. Please like and subscribe. Tell a buddy. Bring a friend.